No, no, no. B is 150. B is 150. Answers wait for 5 minutes because I have to take care of each and every student of the class. Okay. Some students they are very fast in writing, some students they are moderate in writing. So each and every student I have to take. Yes. Because for me, all students are same. All students are my loving students. Yes. Yes, my dear. One minute. Arey, my dear. Huh. Answer is there. Answer is there. Chalo, take 5 minutes. Yes, recording has started, my dear. Recording has started. Okay. Yes, do not send me the answer. Take 3 minutes. Chalo, 3 more minutes. Okay, 3 minutes. No question. We focus on even if you have completed. Chalo, 2 minutes. Even if you have completed, you revise your answer. Okay, because in MCQ type, once you submit the answer, okay, by mistakenly it is wrong. Straight away you will lose. Straight away you will lose 2 marks, 3 marks. Okay, it is better whenever you have time, revise the answer. Okay, always utilize your time. We are giving sufficient time for exam. So there is no bravery in completing the paper in 5 minutes and showing all the students that see I have completed. But what is the reality? Okay. So it is not a good kind of bravery. That you just click all the answer without bothering which is correct, which is not correct, and you are showing others that you have completed in 5 minutes. What will be the outcome? Yes? Here. See, there was one student. So listen me the story. Meanwhile, you take 2 minutes to complete. Huh? There was one student in the class. It is the story. Every time he used to enter in his class, जब भी enter होता था, teacher was not there to teach. He used to tell his friend, अरे मेरा father है, he has fought with the lion. My father has fought. अरे ठीक है, wait for 2 minutes. No, let me tell you the story. No, my father has fought with the lion. Every time he used to tell his friend and he used to impress them. And so due to this impression, his friend used to share their tiffin with him. So every day he was enjoying his their tiffin. Nice dosas, nice idlis, nice parathas, nice everything. Student used to share with him because every day he used to tell them that my father has fought with the lion. Okay, now one day the class teacher has come to know that he is making a impression of this type, so that due to this impression other students are sharing their tiffin with him. So one day in the class teacher like me call the student, aa jao idhar. What you are telling to other students in my absence? You are telling that your father has fought with the lion. Correct. For past 1 month you are telling this story, one sentence, you are impressing your colleagues, friends and sharing their tips. Now what has happened further? So you are telling that your father has fought with the lion. तुम्हारे पिताजी ने शेर से लड़ गया. आगे क्या हुआ? What happened next? The boy replied, शेर ने father को खा गया. Then other student started laughing. अरे ये स्टोरी बताया होता तो हम लोग उसको टिफिन नहीं खिलाते. Yes. So that kind of impression, false impression, you should never try to make in the examination. I have seen many students in MCQ, when they start, they complete. In our school, whenever we were physically conducting the examination 2 years back, I see many students, after receiving the question paper, they used to complete, suppose the duration is 30 minutes, they used to complete in 10 minutes, and they used to sit like this in the examination, and they used to show others, see, I have completed in 10 minutes, how much intelligent I am, see. As a result come out, when the result comes after 30 marks, their marks is 2 marks. Okay, so you should never try to make a false impression. Always what you are, that is your genuineness. Yes. Yes, my dear. No. See here. No. See, there are many students. There are many students who will complete in 10 minutes and their score will be full marks. I agree. But there are some students. I am talking about some students, not everyone. So, not overconfident, my dear. They are not bothering about the examination. Just to make an impression on their friends, they are just doing like this. Oh, ho gaya mera paper. See how much. What is there? Okay. Very good. Chalo, let us come back to our revision. Okay. See, as a teacher, my duty is to give you moral values also, that you should never try to make a false impression. Second thing, my dear, all of you listen carefully what I am giving you the instruction regarding this coming examination. Coming examination in MCQ type, you will get the sequence of the question different. Sequence of the question different means roll number 1 will have question number 1, which will not be same for roll number 2, roll number 3, roll number 4. So sequence of the question will be different, and their internal choice sequence will also be different. For the same question, for roll number 1, option will be A. Then the same question for roll number 2, option will be C. So if you try to ask other, just give a call online. Arey friend, what is the choice? What is this question option? He will say B option. You will put B, but for your question it will be option number D. So straight away you will lose 3 marks. Okay, so question answer, question sequence will be different, answer sequence will be different. Question will be same. Okay? Same. Answer will also be same. But dear, yes, option sequence will be changed. The same question, same answer, for one student it will be option number A. For other student it will be option number D. Yes. चलो ठीक है. You have, अरे my dear, you have understood. चलो, let us come back to this. We have to discuss. चलो, send me the answer up first. चलो. Gar Vyas C, Varun Patel C, Vamsi Rabaria C, Advaita Samant C, Arad Joshi C, Unnati Dubey C, Pavitra Kumawar C, Shruti Nair C. Swara Mahadik, yes, mute the microphone, my dear. Maintain discipline. Gauri Samant C, Swara Mahadik C. Okay, anybody else? Tanmay Shinde C, Pavitra Kumawar C, Tanmay Shinde C, Vedika Patel C. Yes, anybody else? Okay. Mute the microphone, my dear. Otherwise, mute the microphone. Otherwise, I will remove. Then it will not be, seems to be good. In this Navratri, we are worshipping Mata Durga, and if I will remove somebody, it will not be work. Because today there is. Chalo, C option. C option means minus 29. So minus 13 plus dash. -13, हाँ yes, -13 plus x is equal to -42. चलो yes, हाँ yes, I will report. चलो, so you will take 13 on this side, x will be -14, -42 plus 13, -13 become +13. Minus and plus opposite sign, you have to subtract and take the sign of bigger number. 42 minus 13 is 29. Which number is bigger? 42. What is sign of that minus? -29. -29 means option number C is the correct option. Chalo, send me the answer of second. हाँ yes, send me the answer of second. चलो send me the answer of second. वेदांत पांचाल D. हाँ, no, only one ID. अरे my dear, जयंत दर्जी D. अरे my dear, only wait, no. हाँ, सार्थिका दुबे C, वामसी रावरिया C, वेदिका पटेल C, गौरी सावंत. अरे my dear, what is the problem? पवित्रा कुमावत C, वेदांत पंचाल D. Maintain discipline. Today I am not happy with all of you. You are giving unnecessary question. You are asking unnecessary question, and you are not today seems to be in the discipline. That is why I do not tell the story. No, you are good. You are always good, and we always good for me. But maintain discipline. We are liberal. That means maintain discipline. Chalo, send me the answer. Varun Patel C. Gar Vyas C. Arav Joshi C. Advaita Sawant C. Swara Madik C. Pavitra Kumawat C. Anushri Sakhalkar. हाँ, अनुश्री साखलकर C. दर्श मोरे C. हाँ, वेदिका पटेल C. आर्या सानप C. भूपेश यादव C. आयुष दास C. ओके, आर्या सानप C. यस, चलो. इच्छा चौधरी C. भूपेश यादव C. ध्रुवी दुबेरिया C. वेरी गुड ध्रुवी. सिया वाला C. C means option number 2. C means answer number 2. Let us verify whether this is correct or not. C means option number absolute value of -7 minus absolute value of -5. Vertical bracket means absolute value bracket, and absolute value of any negative integer or positive integer is always positive. Absolute value of -7 will be 7. Absolute value of -5 will be 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Answer is +2. That is C option. Okay. Option number C, that is +2, is the correct answer. Okay. So I think all of you have scored 2 out of 2 so far. All of you have scored 2 out of 2. Yes. Chalo. Send me the answer of third. श्रुति नायर A, वेदिका पटेल A, पवित्रा कुमावत C, वामसी रावरिया A, वरुण पटेल A, स्वरा माडिक C, टीना चौधरी A, अनुश्री साखलकर A. Very good, Anushri. Today you are participating excellently. A, टीना चौधरी A, तनुश्री अंकिता सिंह A, ध्रुवी दुबेरिया A. Very good, Dhruvi. सोहम धनावड़े A. Yes, mute the microphone, my dear. Please, my request, mute the microphone. Because this is Navratri season, we don't want to scold anybody. We want to be in a happy mood, learn and teach. Okay? So send the option. Chalo, Varun Patel A. So everybody is telling the answer A. No personal communication. चलो, ठीक है. I have to take action. Nothing else. No option was left in front of me. A plus minus B, because I have to take care of the whole class. Whenever two signs are together, plus into minus will be minus. A minus B. Now substitute the value of A. A is 9 minus B. B is minus 5. Again minus into minus will be plus. 9 plus 5, that is 14. So which option? Option number A. Option number A, 14 is the correct option. C is the wrong answer, my dear. A plus minus B plus into minus minus. Then minus minus will be plus. 9 plus 5, 14, my dear. So A option is correct. Okay, Tanushree Sakalkar, you gave the answer A. Very good. Then yes, Varun Patel. So whoever has given the answer A, their answer is absolutely correct. Okay, their answer is absolutely correct. Yes, no problem, no problem. Okay. Yes, Bhupesh, mute the microphone. It is my request to you. Mute the microphone and study. Chalo. Yes, no. Yes, I understand your problem. Nothing. Okay. I have admitted you. So convert 6 upon 12 into decimal. Chalo, send me the option. Pavitra Kumawat, Varun Patel C. Pavitra Kumawat C. Chalo, send me the answer of 4th. Once more. Arya Sanap C. Gar Vyas D. Arey Gar Vyas, what happened to you? You are writing D. Vedika Patel C. Send the answer. Tanmay Shinde C. Fourth one. Tanmay Shinde C. Ara Joshi C. Darsh Mori C. Ara Joshi C. Darsh Mori C. Ara Joshi C. Vamsi Ravaria C. Soham Dhanavade C. Very good, Soham. Bhupesh Yadav C. Soham Dhanavade C. Bhupesh Yadav C. Bhupesh Yadav C. Chalo. Bhupesh once. Okay. Anushri Sakalkar C. Ayush Das C. Gauri Samant C. Ansh Yadav C. Very good. So everybody is giving the answer C. C means 0.5. Let us verify. So 6 upon 12. Okay. So you can divide. See as 6 ones are 6 1 by 2. You can divide 1 by 2, 2, 1. Then 1 is smaller than this, 0.1025 are 10. So answer is 0.5. 0.5 means C option is correct. Okay, you can directly divide 6 by 12. The answer will come 0.5. Okay. Now give me 1 minute time. Give me 1 minute time. I will tell you the option for. Okay, give me 1 minute time. Okay. Arey, wait, my dear. Chalo, let me give you the option. Let me give you the option. C answer for 0.5. Now fifth option A. Chalo, let me explain. 6 upon 12. 6 upon 12. 6 1 are 6. 6 2 are 12. 1 by 2. Now you have to divide 1 by 2. So 1 is smaller than 2. So you will write 0. You will add 1 0. 2 5 are 10. So 0.5. Yes. Yes. That also. Very good. So let me give you the option for fifth. 2 upon 33. B 3 upon 33. C 4 upon 33. D 5. Screen is clear. 5 upon 33. Now send me the answer of fifth. Option is given there. Gar Vyas C. Vamsi Ravaria C. Gar Vyas C. Vamsi Ravaria C. Gar Vyas C. Gar Vyas C. Unnati Dubey C. Vedika Patel B. Bhupesh Yadav C. Gauri Samant C. Vedika Patel C. Chalo. Dhruvi Duberia C. Send me the option. Send me the answer in the. Vivek Chauhan C. Arya Sanap C. Vivek Chauhan C. Swara Manik C. Yashvir Dinesh Patel C. Very good, Yashvir. Where you were for first to answer, Yashvir? Vivek Chauhan, Vamsi Ravaria C. Varun Patel C. Vivek Chauhan C. Yes. Chalo, send me the answers. Sarthika Dubey C. Arya Sanap C. Sarthika Dubey. C. Vivek Chauhan C. C means 4/33. Let us verify. No. Answer is there. Soham Dhanavde C. Dhruvi Duberia C. Arya Sanap C. Abhipasha Bhuyan C. हाँ चलो हो गया. हाँ yes welcome. भूपेश यादव C. विवेक चौहान C. पवित्रा कुमावत C. विवेक चौहान C. पवित्रा कुमावत C. चलो पवित्रा कुमावत C. विवेक चौहान they are writing continuously. We love this 4/33. Let us verify. 1/3 divided by 3/12 plus 5/2. So whenever first you have to simplify the bracket. Bracket LCM of 12 and 2 is 12. So 3/12 plus 30/12. 6. You have to multiply by 6. So 30 plus 3 is 33. 1/3 divided by 33/12. So 1/3 multiplied with 12/33. Now you are not mute the microphone. 3 4s are 12. So answer is 4/33. Answer is 4/33, which is your option number C. Okay. 4. हाँ 3 4s are 12. अरे 3 6s are 18 my dear. 3 6s are 18. How 3 6s are 8 12? हाँ 3 6s are 18. If you will tell me 3 6s are 12, then I have to call you at my house and revise you the table of 3. Okay. No my dear, our period is up to, time is up. चलो last send me the answer of 6th. 6th answer बेटा. वामसी रावरिया B, गर्ग व्यास B, वरुण पटेल B, गौरी सामंत B, गर्ग व्यास B, वरुण पटेल B, गर्ग व्यास B, वरुण पटेल B, आरव जोशी, वेदिका पटेल B. चलो वेदिका पटेल B, आरव जोशी B, यस वरुण पटेल B, सोहम धनावड़े B, वरुण पटेल B, आर्या सानप B, अद्वैता सावंत B, स्वरा महाड़िक B, अंश यादव B, सात्विका दुबे B, दर्श मोरी B, सिया वाला B, सात्विका दुबे B. चलो सिया वाला B. So product means multiplication. Phase value of 3. Phase value will remain same, 3 only. Place value of 5. Place value of 5 is tens place. So 50 into 3, 150. So option number B is the correct option. Okay. Option number B. So now we stop here. Bye everybody. It is more than 11:23. Bye. Score you can send me on the WhatsApp. Score you can send